Welcome to another episode of Information Security, the podcast where we delve into the frameworks and guidelines that shape our cybersecurity landscape. I am your host Praveen Nair. Today we are exploring NIST Special Publication 818, titled Guide for Developing Security Plans for Federal Information Systems. We will discuss its current status, decode its core components, and provide actionable insights for your InfoSec team to implement its principles effectively. So what is the current state of NIST SP 818? NIST 818 was first published in December 1998 and later revised in February 2006 as Revision 1. As of November 2024, Revision 1 remains the current version. Now, this publication offers guidance on creating Systems Security Plans, SSPs, for Federal Information Systems, emphasizing the importance of documenting security controls and procedures. Let's decode the NIST SP 818. So the NIST SP 818 provides a structured approach to developing the System Security Plans, SSPs, which are essential for outlining the security requirements and controls of information systems. Its key components include system identification, detailing the system's name, responsible individuals, and contact information. Second, system description, providing an overview of the system's purpose, functionality, and criticality. Third is systems environment, describing the system's operating environment, including hardware, software, and network infrastructure. Fourth is system interconnection, identifying connections with other systems and the security measures governing these interfaces. Fifth is security control, documenting the management, operational, and technical controls implemented to protect the system. Sixth is the rules of behavior, establishing expected user behaviors and responsibilities. Seventh is security training, outlining training programs to ensure personnel are aware of security policies and procedures. Eighth is incident response, defining the procedures for detecting, reporting, and responding to security incidents. Ninth is continuity of operations, planning for systems recovery and continuity in the event of disruptions. These components collectively ensures a comprehensive security posture for the information systems. So how do you implement this in your organization? While NIST SP 818 is tailored for federal systems, its principles are valuable for any organizations aiming to enhance its security planning. Here's how your InfoSec team can implement its guideline. First thing, you can develop a system security plan. You can create detailed SSPs for each critical information system, incorporating the components outlined in the Special Publication 818. You can conduct a risk assessment, evaluate the potential threats and vulnerabilities to inform the selection of appropriate security controls. You can implement security controls, apply management, operational, and technical controls as recommended, ensuring they align with your organization's risk tolerance. Establish incident response procedures. Develop and document clear protocols for addressing security incidents, including roles, responsibilities, and communication plans. You can provide security training, educate all personnel on security policies, procedures, and their individual responsibilities to foster a security-conscious culture. Later, review and update plans regularly. Treat the security or the system security plans as living documents, revisiting and revising them in response to system changes, emerging threats, or after security incidents. By integrating these practices, your organization can strengthen its security framework and better protect its information assets. Understanding and implementing the guidelines set forth in NIST SP 818 is a proactive step towards a robust information security. By developing comprehensive system security plans and fostering a culture of security awareness, organizations can effectively mitigate risks and safeguard their critical informations. Thank you for joining us on this episode of Information Security. I am your host Praveen Nair signing off. Stay tuned for more insights and discussion on securing your digital landscape.